guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your OwnersChoice Mortgage account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your OwnersChoice Mortgage account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in ownerchoice.com and make a search. The official page of OwnersChoice will appear on the screen. Tap on Borrower option. On the next page, click on Login option at the top right corner of the page. Now enter your username and password associated with your OwnersChoice Mortgage account and tap on Login. In case if you don't remember your username or password, click on the link that says Forgot Username or Forgot Password. This is how you can log into your OwnersChoice Mortgage account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.